because what have
I should be doing what?
Stories.
Right?
We have stories today.
Guys, welcome to my first ever YouTube video. My name is Angel. I'm a full-time beauty content creator. I've been in the business or the game for 4+ years, and I decided to move to YouTube, and I'm so excited. Thank you for having me. So if you want to see how I glammed up into this body, if you want to see how I did my eyes, my lips, like my whole full routine, and I'll be showing my products and step by step on how you can achieve a full face beat. So stay tuned, and if you're new here, obviously you're new, please like, comment, subscribe, and share my video. Thank you. I love you guys. Bye. Okay guys, this is me before, and I'm just going to get right into it. First of all, you have to prep your lips, like just put on a little bit of gloss as I did, and I'm going to go onto my moisturizer. This is like a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury moisturizer because it has that cooling effect and it's very gripping. And onto the next thing is I use a setting spray on my face, just make everything like nice and moist. I will mattify my face with some mattifying primer, then go on with my concealer because I just want to cover the place. So I have some hyperpigmentation, and I'm going to go onto with my contour as that concealer is sitting. I just like to just see, like, this is like a map. I'm like not a map, like a carving. I'm carving my face, so I just have to use a little bit of that concealer to do that. And onto the blush. Oh my god, this blush is literally a dupe for the Rare Beauty blusher, I think so, yes, because it has the consistency and it doesn't dry down so fast. I was playing, goofing around and everything. Yeah, we did it. And I'll spray my face again because I just want to activate that concealer to make it easy to blend, and I'll just not make it too dry and everything like that. So I'm just goofing around definitely and everything. So blending that in, I'm going to add my foundation. This is the underpainted edition. This just allows you to minimize your product intake while giving you full coverage. So the foundation does the job, and look at me, excellent in blending because this foundation is definitely easy to work. So makeup is easy. You just have to get products that work with your skin and like look nice on your skin. Everything looks nice because I've been able to create a pattern of products that look good on me, and that is literally what I use to achieve my flawless beat every day, going with this Chic Attitude blush palette because it has that baby pastel pink and I just absolutely love it. I was gisting my friend in the video and telling her that blush is everything to me and it's so good. So I'm going with a lightweight concealer that is kind of drying but also lightweight into the inner corners, and I'm going to be reverse contouring because I have a little bit of face whatever fat or just my face is kind of like round, and I just want to make sure that I make my face look as slim as possible. Did some nose contour, and with that hash line, just going to add a little bit of foundation, add more blush, just to make sure that the look doesn't look too hashy and the contour is not looking too like burnt or bruised. I was goofing around and I went on with my all-time fave powder. This is from Beauty. Absolutely amazing. Once I knew about this powder, you can see I'm scraping the inside. I actually don't use this powder a lot, but for today's video I just wanted to use it because I haven't used it in a while. And I did my nose contour. It can be looking like this right now, but don't worry, when I spray, everything is gonna all melt inside. I'm going to use my setting powder because I want to make my face look slimmer, and I'm conducting face surgery. Like, I just want to make everything look nice and smooth. add that to my forehead, and this setting powder has like infused shimmers inside. It's absolutely gorgeous. And guys, my all-time favorite glitter eye primer, look at it, it's so gorgeous. If you see this in person, it's absolutely stunning. I love it so much. I just wanted to do a natural look. I coat my lashes with mascara and just make sure that it's giving. Then use black eyeshadow to give myself a wink. I don't want to make the wink so pronounced because I still want to keep like my eyes being youthful and nice and sweet. I added some glue to the liner which I actually created, and you can see the illusion, like it's giving, my eyes are like popping. It's so cute with the lashes. This is Wynkk Beauty and it's absolutely stunning. My fancy highlighter to just make me look more like, cute. Not looking like my province in this country. Everything is hard. So I have to look like nothing's going on. I spray my face, add some bottom lashes. Absolutely gorgeous. And see guys, matte. And wait till you see as I added gloss, because I'm definitely a gloss babe. It's glossy and it's so cute. I don't know, my makeup is stunning, and we're into the video. See how my face is kind of giving like snatch, jawline. And that's it. Thanks guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye.